play Would You Rather. Today I search Would You Rather and I want to play this one. Okay, let's go. Some people said Would You Rather is beautiful. Let's see, let's see. Okay, I'm using my phone. So we are here. I think we're gonna use this one because I'm girl. I have it already. Let's go. Skin, not the. This is my real skin. Let's go. Oh, not here. Let's go and here. Um, I think headless. I love headless. Let's go. Let's go. I don't have head at all. Whoa. What's up? Oh. Oh. Okay. How he get that? Mm. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Good. So this is my outfit right now. We need to see if what is my real outfit in the middle. Like I don't know, random t-shirt. Whoa, I love this outfit so much, but I hate the body part. For real. So let's go. Oh, do you think guys who will win in this game, boys or girls? I think I'm gonna go this here. Wow, this is too aesthetic. Like, whoa. Let's go and get more. So we are here. Sorry for that noise, guys, because oh my god, I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my god. By the way, guys, look at my outfit. I love this outfit, but I don't have eyes at all. Kaya nga headless. Like, let's go car blocks. Whoa, I love this. Look at this. I love this outfit. I can't get there. I can. So when I do, I love my outfit. I think it's better. I don't want more accessory. I love this outfit because it is like it doesn't sure. Let's go. Oh, thank you. Mm, whoa, I think I'm gonna. Oh, I can't. Why? Oh, I think this one. Ah, what? Oh, that's good. I think. I think so. It's good. Let's go here. Makeup. I love the makeup. Oh, sorry. So I think we're gonna go. Let's see. Let's see. Whoa, I'm getting to the finish line. If you play, oh my no, guys! If you play this game already, comment down below. I am sorry. If you get this game already, comment down below if what's your outfit or if you want to play, screenshot your outfit and comment down below. Oh, it's okay. I love Would You Rather lips. Oh, sorry for the noise, guys. So we are here, I think. Random accessory. What accessories? Oh, that's nice, but I don't like the hat. And oh, sorry, that. I love my outfit like a some small. Oh, lipstick. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Um, I need to go back right now. because I'm already in the finish line. I mean, I'm going to the finish line right now. I'm so dizzy. Oh my god. Please guys, please like my video because if you like my video, I will upload more. If you doesn't like it, I didn't upload anymore. Whoa. I love it, but I don't know. I think it's okay. I loved it. I love it. Oh my. Oh, I know, man. Sorry for that. Sorry, guys. I I'm kind of nervous because look at here, bro. I can't. Why? Still playing Dundee. Yeah, just a joke. I'm getting right here, and let's go. That's good. So I'm doing solo because I don't have friends to go. So we are here, guys. Sorry for that because I don't know. I think random pants because I love my hair. So let's go. So we are here, guys. I think I'm gonna change the pants. So, oh, what? No, I don't like. Yeah, such a. So let's go, guys. Oh, what? No. So let's go, guys. I'm sorry. Sorry. So, guys, we're back at here and wanted to go because I'm getting bored. No. It's okay. It's okay. Sorry, guys, for my voice because I'm not real English. I'm not from USA, America. Like I don't know what the. Oh, it's okay. That's cute. It's cute, guys. Look at my outfit right now. I think it's better, but I don't like the cut. I mean the hat cup because she doesn't fit with my feet and the bag. It doesn't fit in my outfit. So let's go. I'm soloing, guys. I'm so lonely, but it's okay. It's not private server. I mean, sorry. It's not random server. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's not private server, guys. No, there's no one did. I don't know. I can't. Ah, why? Sorry for my voice, guys, because I don't know how to speak like many English because I'm from Philippines. If you just know, I'm from Philippines, and my father is from UK. So let me see. Oh shit, I don't like it. I'm sorry, guys. So guys, my father is from UK and my mom is from Philippines. So my voice is like I don't know. I don't know. I love speaking Filipino than English. Oh, I'm here, guys. I'm finishing the tower, but I think I'm gonna go. No. Oh, I outfit. I think no, I'm tired. So bye guys, this is the end of the video and don't forget to follow, share and subscribe. Bye.
Da 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 da.